Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about riveting nuts. Riveting nuts are used in fastening fields of various metal sheets, pipes, and other manufacturing industries, and are widely used in assembly of mechanical and electrical and light industrial products such as automobiles, aviation, railways, refrigeration, elevators, switches, instruments, furniture, and decoration. It is also widely used to solve the shortcomings of metal sheet and thin tube welding nuts, easy to melt, substrate easy to weld deformation, tab internal thread easy to slip, etc. It doesn't need tab internal thread and doesn't need a welding nut. Therefore, the riveting is firm, high efficiency, and easy to use. Okay, the simple explanation is over. Now let's take a look about the using video. Thanks for coming. Let's see you next week.